Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to fix your computer audio related issues. First you need to go to start menu, go to setting. In the system section, go to scroll down a little bit, go to troubleshoot, tap on other troubleshooters, tap on playing audio, tap on run here. So it will be detect the problem related with the audio. So you can choose your speakers or digital audio file to check the issues. Then after you can just tap on next, then it will be find the issues related with that. If you then after you can cancel this one, close this one, and again right click on the start menu, go to device manager, tap on sound, video and game controllers. You can find there are 3 devices here. Right click on each one, tap on update driver and tap on search automatically for drivers. Then after close this one, do the same thing to these 2 also, and if it is not working, right click on it again, tap on uninstall driver, tap on uninstall. Then after you need to restart your computer to reinstall that softwares. Then after close this. Then after again go to start menu, go to setting. In the system section, go to sounds, scroll down and go to more sound setting. In the playback tab, tap on your device. Then after go to properties and go to enhancements tab and make sure to tick the disable all enhancement tick like this. Okay, then after apply and okay, this one, close this one. Again in here you need to select your device, go to properties. In this time go to advanced tab and make sure to select your quality to this one, the second one, DVD quality option, and tap on OK. Close this one and close this one. Right click on the start menu, go to device manager again, go to sound, video and game controllers. If you find any device that is not related with your computer device, right click on that one and disable the device. Then it will be not affect to other devices. Then close this one, and you can use as if A side Note 0 for all for low latency audio. Download and install that one. This is the software name, and open the setting of that software. Reduce the buffer size to minimize the latency. Use this driver for audio application that support ASIO. I will put the software name in the description also. So these are the methods you can try to fix your audio issues in your computer. And if you think this video is helpful, please consider subscribe and like.